first things first, you gotta take care of your skin. I'm religious with my skincare routine. Every morning and night I will cleanse, tone and moisturize. Today I'm going to be using my Lumi Spa, so I'm going to be just wetting my skin first and just using the cleanser for dry skin. And I'm just going to start just by kind of foaming this up on my face. Now this baby has been a lifesaver for me. It's a 2-minute cleansing treatment. It removes makeup, toxins, impurities, and it also de-stresses your skin. It's great for skin renewal, so if you've had acne or a lot of breakouts, it's going to help renew the cells in the skin. It's great for radiance. It also minimizes your pores and it leaves your skin baby smooth. So once that's done, I'm just taking like a damp cloth and I'm going to remove the excess and then pat dry my skin. Next, moving on to my exfoliator, and I would do this treatment once or twice a week. I'm doing it today because I'm applying tan afterwards, so you always want to exfoliate your skin before applying any type of fake tan on your face or your body. It's going to remove all those dead skin cells, so your makeup is going to sit better and look better on the skin. After I've rinsed my skin, I'm going to go in with my pH balancing toner, and this is going to remove any excess product that might be left on the skin. As you can see here, there's still some dirt behind my ears and on my skin that I thought was completely clean. It's also a powerful antioxidant. This particular one is going to brighten your complexion by using strawberry extract, and it also locks in moisture as well. I like to finish off with a bit of moisturizer and SPF for protection. Then moving on to the best bit, this is the Instant Glow Tan, and I am completely obsessed with this. I can't tell you how much I've been loving this tan over the past couple of weeks. So this is a tan for your face and for your body that you can apply using your hands. So no more stained orange hands. I can't tell you how happy I am about that. But this tan gives you an instant bronze finish straight away. It uses naturally sourced minerals. It's low odor. It's a non-drip gel formula. It has beautiful, if you look closely, you can see there's gorgeous kind of a sheen to it, so it gives a gorgeous glow to the skin once you apply it. It works with your skin's natural components, so it works with the melanin in your skin. It's got vitamin E, so it's a powerful antioxidant. However, it doesn't have SPF, so as you know, you still have to wear your normal SPF protection. It's got amino acids for moisture and avocado oil as well. So it's going to develop over 30 minutes and then it deepens within an hour or two. So once I have it done, I'm just going to take a damp cloth and I'm just going to gently run it over my hands, and as you can see, they are completely stain free. So while that is developing, I'm going to go and sort out this mad head of hair. As you can see, blow drying my hair is the most tedious job in the world and I hate it so much. Can anyone else relate? It's just the most boring job in the world, and in this heat it's just unbearable. So I've blow dried my hair completely, and then I'm using this wave spray thing from L'Oreal. So basically you just spray it into your hair and you start scrunching it. And to be honest, this has been a lifesaver. It saved me a lot of time over the past couple of weeks. But I do feel I have to do extra work to it. I don't just use it on its own. So I take my hair straightener and just run over any frizzy bits. Just kind of smooth it out with the straightener, kind of curl them up with the GHD. And then I just finish scrunching it. And you should have some very natural waves. I must say I do like this product. It does kind of leave your hair a tiny bit knotty. But I like that because I can get a few days out of the waves because my hair is so fine that nothing holds in my hair usually, so I do get the extra few days out of it. So 30 minutes later, you'll see that the tan is starting to develop and you have a gorgeous glow. Now this will deepen over the next hour or two. I think I usually do this routine before I go to bed, so when I wake up in the morning I'm nice and bronze, but I had to do the whole thing today just to show you my routine. So now I'm going to jump in and show you what I've been doing for my makeup, and it's so easy. Honestly, I've barely spent any time with my makeup in the summer. I just feel like there's no point when it's just going to sweat off. So first things first, you have to fill in your eyebrows. I could not leave the house without brows. And then I'm going to go in with my Hoola brush and my Hoola bronzer in the light from Benefit, and just very lightly I'm just going to dust this all over my face. So not like just applying it everywhere. I'm not doing any particular technique or anything like that, just literally putting it everywhere. And this is going to mattify my skin more than anything. It's going to deepen the tan because it still hasn't fully developed. It's going to give you that gorgeous bronze finish, but it's just going to, more than anything, it's going to mattify my skin, so it's not going to look too oily or too dewy and glowy throughout the day. And I'm just going to run this down through my neck as well. Then lashes, of course, lashes and brows. That's all you need in life, right? So I am using the Bad Girl Bang, and I must say I actually adore this mascara. It makes your lashes really dark, really long, and really black, but it's not clumpy like their real mascara, which I'm not really a fan of. So I do like this mascara, I must admit. And then I finish off with this gorgeous coconut spray that just reminds me of holidays and happiness and sand and food and ice cream and all that good stuff. And I just like to spray it everywhere and just smell like a coconut goddess. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is my routine, and like I said, I will do a lot, like the tanning before I go to bed, so it literally takes me about 10-15 minutes in the morning to get ready. So I really hope you enjoy my skincare makeup routine. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my website. I will be doing more kind of detailed videos on my products. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you over on my website. I love you guys so much, and I'll speak to you guys soon.